Confused by in time and on time, or at the end and in the end? You're not alone, but in 2 minutes, you won't be. On time means something happens at the exact time, not late, not early. For example, the train arrived on time. Another example, my class starts at 8 and I always arrive on time. Easy? In time means just before it's too late. Imagine you catch a movie just before it starts, you're in time. Not late, but not exactly on time either. For example, I got home in time for dinner. Another example, we arrived in time to see the show. At the end is used with specific things, like a movie, a book, or a month. It's about a physical or calendar ending point. For example, at the end of the movie, she leaves. Another example, I am going on holiday at the end of June. In the end means finally, after everything. It's about the final result, not a place or time. It's often used in storytelling. For example, in the end, I stayed home. Another example, he tried many jobs. In the end, he became a chef. Let's review. On time is exact. In time is just early enough. At the end is about a moment or place. In the end is like, finally. Now you know. Let's test your brain. Try to answer these 3. Ready? Pause the video and think. Let's check your answers. I arrived in time to catch the bus. We finished lunch at the end of the movie. She got the job in the end after many interviews. Good job. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing and you'll sound more natural every day. See you in the next lesson.